The centre has come under a lot of flack from the opposition after it brought in two ordinances which allow the extension of the CBI and ED directors' tenures in office. As per the ordinance, the tenure of the directors of the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate can now be extended up to 3 years after the mandated term of 2 years end for them. And like I said, strong reactions from all the major opposition parties coming in on this. Sources say TMC has moved statutory resolutions in Rajya Sabha objecting to the ordinances by the government to extend the tenure of CBI and ED chiefs. The Trinamool Congress had raised objection to the tenure extension ordinances, questioning the government's hurry at a time when the winter session of Parliament was just 2 weeks away. And a lot of other important inputs also coming in on this. Times Network's Priyank spoke to former CBI Director AP Singh. He had first recommended for a fixed 5 years tenure for CBI directors way back in 2011 when the Lokpal bill was coming up. AP Singh now explains that the provision of extending the tenure of CBI or ED directors will be controversial rather than having a fixed 5-year tenure. He also explains why he bats for a fixed longer tenure even now. Let's listen in.
This was basically based on the FBI. FBI director gets 10 years because you have very important investigations and prosecutions, and these don't, you don't finish them in 2 years. It takes a long time. For example, you've seen Vijay Mallya's case, you've seen Nirav Modi's case. They don't, 2G took 7 years, and it's still continuing. But what happens is that if you frequently change directors, then the investigations lose their importance, because the officers get transferred, the importance to other cases comes up, and the prosecutions are diluted. So if there's a director for a long term, for 5 years, he can follow up and bring these cases to a logical conclusion, or at least place them in the right place. So that was the reason why we had suggested that director should get fixed 5-year tenure. And the fixed 5-year tenure was for directors who had been appointed by this particular committee.
How do you see this 2+1+1 thing? Because like you had also proposed that there should be fixed tenure. If there's some problem, the government can obviously, or the committee can obviously take action against that particular director. But why this, pressure? It's being perceived as some kind of pressure will be there. Like if I don't go by the government, then certainly my next tenure won't be, extended. Like every 1 year looking for the change or looking for an extension.
I see it as controversial because if you don't give a director an extension, then obviously it will be controversial. If it just routinely you're doing it and giving everybody an extension, it's okay. But the day you don't give it, then people will ask questions why. If there's a misdemeanor, then of course, if you had a fixed tenure, and you could always remove the director. But if you, there'll be speculation every time whether he's going to get an extension, not get an extension. So it would create a little bit of controversy.